See, I feel like I'm just adding so much makeup though, so I'm going to switch to this finger just to take some right back off. And then I'm just going to kind of... And any extra that's on my skin, don't ever waste it. Use it in this little bulldog gel. Or I have my zit. I'm so excited about my zit. Right there. Y'all, you get excited about zits when you're older because that means you're almost like a teenager again. I know some people are like, you gotta be kidding me, Beth. Nobody likes a zit. Not even an old lady. Well, this old lady does. It's also a good time to just do some correction because I'm seeing some little drops where I got a little makeup right there. So we'll kind of fix that. And we'll fix that. I don't know. Do y'all feel like that helped that much? Comment below. Do you feel like this concealer helped that much that it was worth putting the extra product there? I know it does look a little brighter now. I don't know. But you saw it before too, so I don't know. And that concealer, by the way, was a sample from Jouer, Jouer, and this color is Wheat. So we'll try out those colors. Use my little makeup cloth. Get that off my fingers. Remember, I used 2 fingers because I'm wearing black today, and you sure don't want to be touching stuff and then get makeup all over your fingers. Okay, so that's my look, y'all. And if you want to, at the end, just kind of redust this area a little, or blot this with a brush, just to kind of make sure you're blended out real nicely. Just kind of stamping like that. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. So I got a little highlighter today. I'm looking kind of glammy. What do y'all think? Oh my goodness. Well, I had a good time putting on makeup with y'all today, but I need to get on with the rest of the day. And I just took a little break, but now I need to get back to what I'm doing. And I love y'all very much. Again, please feel free to comment below on your prayer requests, or go over to my other channel, Beth Buchanan Pure Bible. And Buchanan spelled B-U-C-H-A-N-O-N, like anon. Sometimes people get too many A's or too many N's, so it's B-U-C-H-A-N-O-N. My name's always in front so that you can find the channel easy, and then it says Pure Bible, and this is Bible, Beauty, Fashion, and Fun, so. You still can tell what's the important part, right? Okay, y'all, I have no idea how close we are to the end of this video. I don't know if we're in more parts. We did run over again by 2 minutes. So, then I'm going to keep talking. Because I've got that extra time, so if you're going to invest in this part of the video, then I might as well give you more to see. Oh! 2 other things I've been wanting to show y'all. Actually, there's one that I don't have here. So I think I'll wait. I'll wait. But I am going to go back to showing you the palette that we used today. Some of the palettes that we used today. If you've gone all the way to the end, you may or may not remember. So it's the La Palette Nude by L'Oreal. And I feel like the look that I did, there's one called Nude Ombre, Feline Fancy, Sultry Angel, and Lady Butterfly. I feel like we did Sultry Angel. That sounds awful to even say that, but anyway. Oh, they're showing whether you've got hazel eyes, green, like truly green eyes. I've got green hazel. Blue eyes, or brown eyes. And so they're showing you the, I don't know if you can see it. Let me just kind of fill the, I don't know if that's going to focus or not, because usually I have found that when I get too close, it actually defocuses. You have to sit it there for a minute and then pull back a little. But it just shows the 4 quadrants. Now, I thought it was 4 different makeup looks, but what it's actually showing is the 4, using the same palette for 4 different eye colors, what is the best. So, inner corner. I don't know, what did I use? Oh, you know what? Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I would determine that. Oh, it shows you the numbers. Okay, so it's got them numbered up here. And then here it shows the numbers you should use. So I used 8. Yes. And the inner corner? No, I would never use a dark color in the inner corner. Disagree. Crease, number 3. That is exactly what I used. No, I used that for the transition area or the outer crease. They said use 10. No. And 9 bottom lashes, which was that. No. Did we even... Okay, so I'll tell you what I used. I used 1. Do they even have 1? They don't show they used 1, their own color, in the whole palette. And it's that light highlight color under the brown inner corner. That's perfect. So, boo. Second, they didn't use 2 either. Oh, outer crease. That's... No. For outer crease, you need transition color. So I would say 3 is outer crease. Who did that? Anybody? Inner corner? No. No. Outer lid? No. No. I disagree with them. Who are these makeup artists? And then my crease color was number 8. Let's see if any of their crease colors. Crease 7. Oh my gosh, they did not use what I used. Even close. So maybe what we ought to do with this palette the next 2 times is try 1 or 2 of these. We'll try the one that it says that it's mine and do it exactly the way that it says I should be doing my makeup. Because that's a hazel green. I've got green eyes. Are they green or hazel? They're actually green. Okay, we'll try it. Okay, so when they say inner corner, they don't mean the tear duct. They mean in here. So maybe that's why. And then the crease is 3. That I did use for outer crease. Their outer crease, they said 10. No. A light color? They mean using this color right here for transition, and it's also a shimmer, so I would say no. We'll do it. 9 is the bottom lashes, and I think 9, absolutely, it's too light. It's a gray-brown. That's what you want to put through your lashes. They want a softer look, I guess. And that's not what the little picture looks like. I did the eyeshadow you would do on a brown eye, and yet it's still very... It's a little too brown. I mean, it's like an orangey brown look. So this will be interesting, but we could try all 4 if you want. I know I talked a lot in this video, so it's probably going to be 5 to 6 parts. Maybe we'll just go straight through very quickly and only do the shadows, and I won't do the lashes and the liners and all that other stuff, highlight and all that other stuff, because I did the whole face and talked through it. So we could do 4 little quickie ones where we just do the 4 shadow looks. What do y'all think of that? Maybe 1 on each eye in one video and 1 on each eye in the other, because there's 4 looks. What do y'all think? Comment below. And then I'm also, in my next video, going to talk to you about hair products that I have been liking. So I will get to that. And I am going to let you go on this video. This will be a shorty one for me. I think it's probably pretty close. Yeah, it's 4 minutes. But anyway, y'all also, my little clock. I love this little clock. Isn't it pretty? Look at all the jewels. And it's the tones of this room. This room's got kind of like brown and gold and creams, and then the accent colors is in some areas red, or yeah. But this is the tones, and so it's just such a pretty clock. But it is run by a little battery, and I find myself having to replace this battery so often, y'all. Do y'all feel like you have to do that? I mean, like really often. All right, hold on. Here we go. We're gonna do it together. Here we go. All right, is it gonna be working? Yes, but we need to put the time in. That's weird. It's 1 hour off to the minute. It's kind of weird. Okay. Make sure I got that right. Did I get that right? Yeah. Alright. There we go. But anyway, and y'all have a special thing in your house that you just really, really like. You feel like it helps make the room. Because I feel like this is just, you know, it's a timepiece, so it's functional. But at the same time, I feel like it is just so pretty because of the jewels. I really need to get a damp cloth and wipe it down to make it look a little prettier. But yeah, what are your favorite things in like the room you spend the most time in. This is one of my offices. You know, I did turn my guest bedroom a little into the office too when I started doing some of the Bible stuff. And I need to go film from there because it's very pretty right now. But I have to use my phone, and my phone's not so happy right now. It's got too much stuff in it. And I think I'm going to need a new phone. But I might set up a new, take this camera in there, which is what I did do a couple of times. So anyway, I don't know. But what is your favorite room in the house, and what is your favorite thing in the room that just kind of makes you happy? That little thing. Anyway, so I'm going to let you guys go. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate y'all hanging with me when I do parts. Some of y'all have told me you love when I do parts because you feel like when you actually finish the last part, you've accomplished something. Others say, can you just not talk so much, especially in the beginning, and get straight to what you're supposed to be doing? No. Okay, love y'all.